Just unboxed and fired up the little robot, and it is too large to fit into the linen closet that I wanted to put it in. So this will be an attempt to make it work. It fits in the closet, it just can't get past the door. The entrance to the door is 18 inches, but there's more than adequate space for there to be room on all sides once it's in there. So instead of heavy demolition, we're going to try and disassemble and reassemble this inside the closet. You can see the width is 24.25, and I have 25.5 inches inside the closet. So I can just get past the doorway and get it in there. But you can't put a round peg in a square hole unless you take it apart, put it through in pieces, and then assemble it on the inside. Starting off, disconnecting the power. This is the key that locks it into a position so it doesn't, it stays in its groove when the gears are turning. So that comes off after we disconnect the top of the shroud. There's one tab on each side. Now the ball is free to lift out. At first examination, it appears that it's a clamshell attached with screws along the mating surface, and then one on either side from the front. So I will remove those and see if it doesn't come apart. There's an additional screw hiding inside here. They need to come off. They're all Phillips, and it looks like there's two tabs here that need to pop out. Otherwise, it looks like it's disconnected. This is a very small flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to remove the plug gently because it's plastic. To get the last screws. One there, and one there. All the screws removed, and it comes apart. The purpose of this is so that I can now insert it like so into the closet and attempt to reassemble the ball in the closet. I'm going to put the ball together in the closet before I try and put the base in, just so I have more room to maneuver to try and get to all the side angles, because there's not a lot of space in there. And just a little part inventory check. So far we've only used a small screwdriver and a Phillips screw bit. These are the parts that I need to make sure I don't lose. We've got 8 of these identical. They go into all of the clamshell connecting holes, including the ones that have the pegs. This is the assembly for the key, which allows alignment. It's a longer screw and washer. Goes into there. Goes through the back of the unit, and then screws into this on the inside. You can see that I put it together one piece at a time, and now I'm going to screw it together. All screws reattached, including the key. Now, I'm going to try and angle the base in underneath it. Pop the collar on top. Have enough clearance to get this out. And I'm going to plug it in.